good student. I teach the lesson. Computer its uses. Computer which place you use it to? What place you use it to? I say. Okay. First we can see different places and different purpose used to computer. First one used to school. At school. Okay, school used to search the information in the network. Search information. You information searching into the internet. Second point, teach lesson. Lesson teaching through slideshow. Okay. Third point, you prepare the timetable. Prepare timetable. You prepare the timetable in our classes. Okay. Next one, you prepare the records. You prepare school records. Records, report card. Okay. Next, you keep recording books in library. Library and fees recording. Okay, first of all, computer its users. First one, school used to search information in our network. Next, teach lesson in our slideshow. Prepare timetable in our class. Then prepare report cards. Your own report cards. Okay. Next, books in library. You search books in library. Then fees recording. You pay the amount. You search the fees recording information. Okay. Next, home. At home. Mother using cookings, prepare for cooking. Okay, your mother recipe prepare for internet searching in your cooking. Okay, father send mail in our front. Next is son. Gave. Okay, and you. Daughter. And drawing games. Okay, first of all used to school, second of all used to home. Home used to mother cooking. New recipe search for internet, prepare for cooking. Next, father used for send mail to our friend. Son used for play games and drawing pictures in etc. Okay. Next, go to offices. Office. Office used to internet recording, maintenance and accounts. Okay. First one, you keep the recording account. one bank to another bank, send to letters in your computer. Okay, next third one, working details and maintenance. Okay, at office first one account. You open the new account, you store in your computer. Second one, sending letters. One bank to another bank, send to letters. Okay, working details and maintenance. Your DPR are working managed by the maintenance in your bank accounts. Okay, in your office. Okay, at the next one, at banks. Banks used to customer. First one, customer. Customer records stored in your computer. Okay, next one, each bank has to ATM. Each bank you use to ATM. ATM means full form automatic teller machine. You not going to bank. Okay, you use it to ATM. You collect the money. Okay. ATM used to communicate the internet. Okay. Next one, this bank full of available in your internet communication. Okay. Next one, booking tickets. Students, listen carefully. I ask question. Okay. Next one, booking tickets. Booking tickets. You use the internet to the booking tickets. Home. You use home ticket booking. Okay. You just click on the computer. You say just click on your application website you use in your phone. You book the tickets. Okay. Next, online billing. Online bills. You see, first of all, before time, this method used to online billing users in 5 years ago. Okay, now using the book billing users, first ticket, train ticket reservation. Your train ticket reservation, payment of phone bill. Phone bill used to pay the amount. Or ticket reservation, pay of electrical bill. Electrical bill, you know, only one copy only come. Okay, movie ticket reservation, payment of income tax. These both are used to net banking transaction. It is used to net banking transaction. Okay, next entertainment. In entertainment. In entertainments, you play games, cards, Next, draw pictures and animation, graphics, etc. Okay, first one, computer graphics. Second, music. Play games, which is used to entertainment. Okay, next is engineering. Next one what? Yeah, good, engineering. I say question, you say answer. In engineering, engineering used for designing. First one, designing house. Designing house. Next one, cars and then machines, etc. Okay, this computer used almost all the places used for designing houses, cars, machine, which place used to engineers. Okay, next go to next topic. Scientific research. Scientific research use such at the work in weather. Weather forecasting. Next, farmer. Next, farming. Next, farming used to sow. You use it to help us to satellite used in farming. First one, satellite. Farming help us to satellite used to in your computer or internet communication. Okay, next is communication. Information sharing. Communication means information sharing. One place to another place you share the information. Okay. X for users as mobile phone, satellite, phone signal, transmission or global used for communication. Roads are mobile phone, satellite. Next one, phone signal. Okay, that's all complete your lesson. I ask question. Okay, first one by son. Example, Praveen, you stand first. Which place you use to internet communication? You say answer. Yeah, first school. Second one, bank. Yeah, good, very good. Third one, office. Farming, communication. Okay, good. Clap that boy clap for you. Okay, next one, satellite research, which using that satellite. Weather changing. Yeah, good. Another weather changing. Okay. Next one, booking tickets. You use the you use the book ticket booking. No, you not using ticket books. Your parent or mother used to, your father mother used to book a ticket booking. Okay. Okay. Next one, school. Teaching lesson or not in your computer? Darby, you say answer. Yeah, good. Yes, you study in your computer in your lab. Okay, you use the communication of internet. Okay. Okay. Thank you, student.